Hi, my name's Jack.
I'm Ryan.
We are the owners of A&W Automotive. We recently opened up our garage in Dorking, in Abinger. So today, this isn't a customer's car. This
is my car.
This is more or less a project. So this is a Polo Dune. Quite a rare Polo. It's still just a Polo, and it's got a 3-cylinder PD lump in it. What miles per gallon did you average on the way here?
72 mpg.
72 mpg. So
it's great.
With everything else going on in the world, this is really like the perfect car, you know. Obviously, it's not perfect. How old is it?
It is 19 years old.
19 years old.
Heavily beaten up.
Yeah. How many miles?
140,000 miles.
140,000 miles.
Paint is coming off everywhere.
Yeah, paint's peeling everywhere because it's red and that's what it does. But that doesn't mean it doesn't deserve a load of love. So today, what are we going to be doing on it?
Today we are doing a major service, air, pollen, fuel filter. We'll be doing a cam belt on it and a water pump and a thermostat housing.
Okay, cool. So before we get into that as well, once all that maintenance work is done, this car, there's going to be a lot more videos of it.
Yeah.
Once it's been kind of looked after and brought to where it needs to be mechanically, then there's going to be a load of other stuff that's going to be done to it as well, which hopefully we'll be able to film and show you guys as well. But all of this routine maintenance is stuff that we do on all cars, all makes and models, primarily Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda and Seat, but we do that every day. That's why we're here. That's why we opened up this place, because we want to be able to give a main dealer service without charging you an absolute arm and a leg for main dealer pricing. So hopefully these videos are going to show you what we can do. This is the moment of truth because we haven't had the under tray off.
I'll take my go. Oh, wheels and pliers.
Rear bushes slightly worn. What else did you say there was?
CV boot at the front, near side.
Oh, that's nice and new.
Outer.
Did you put that on there?
I put that on earlier because it wasn't doing anything.
Sorry, you said CV boot on
this side.
On this side. Ah, yes.
Then I think the track rod that side as well. So
oh yeah, that's
knackered.
Yeah, that's gone.
Drop link, I think upper on that side.
Upper drop link.
And front tyres bald on the inner edges.
Yeah. All the usual stuff. Nothing that can't be fixed. Not as rotten as I thought.
No.
That all looks okay.
I took off all the skin that was remaining on the exhaust.
Oh yeah, no more exhaust skin. It looks brand new.
Yeah.
Peeled it like an onion.
All good.
All good. All good. The seals on your rear vents are completely gone.
Perfect.
So that's good.
Right, here we go.
What can we see?
Nothing.
Look at that sump. That thing's wicked. It's like something out of Star Wars.
It's massive. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
It's not leaking.
It's not leaking. Gearbox isn't leaking. Engine isn't leaking.
Mechanically.
Belt's not split.
Pretty sound.
Looks all right, doesn't it? Front condenser. Oh, shot to pieces. Okay, right. Yeah, that's seen better days.
Yeah, all good.
Right, carry on then.
Almost grey.
Yeah. There's no big chunks of metal in it though, so that's a plus.
Yeah, my phone's lighting up, but I'm just gonna let it ring. Is it the liquor in my system?
Any leaks? No. Okay. So that's oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, oil all done.
It's not so real. Got me caught up in this rhythm. Draw me in and make me feel. Draw me.
So that's an unhappy tensioner, but that's a problem for another day. Right, so the cam belt cover is off. Do we have any history of this being replaced?
I know that I can see, yeah.
No. It's not in the worst condition. There's not really any cracking. However, it is a little bit stretchy. And the tensioner's a bit far back, but that could just be because of the position that the engine's in. Have you seen that?
Yeah, it's good. Timed up and have a look.
Yeah. Right, carry on stripping.
It's almost gone. There we go. All right, is it loose? It's tight. It's good.
It's tight. Nice.
Put that down.
Anything crazy?
No, not really.
Has it got a date on it, or it's just... I don't know if they still put dates on them. Is it a genuine belt as well?
It's Daco.
Nah, who knows?
Made in Italy.
But the water pump's not leaking.
Which is good.
And she's nice and tight. We're changing that anyway. Oh, it's quite good. Water pump's got a bit of play in it.
Is it?
Yeah, but it's getting a new one, so
yeah.
All good. So we removed that idler pulley, and as you can see, there's grease all coming out the back of it. So that definitely needed replacing as well. And with all the other bits we're changing, so let's pull the water pump and see what's going on there. That's silicone.
That is.
That's not meant to be there. Let's have a look then. Oh my, that's, yeah. So I'm going to assume they've not wanted that to leak, so that they've just covered the seal in silicone. I mean, it wasn't leaking, so it's done its job, but that's definitely not meant to be there.
Yeah.
Because all that's now floating around in the cooling system.
Brilliant.
Which is fantastic.
Well, the new one's come with a nice new seal. Because the seal's still there.
Yeah, they've siliconed.
They've
siliconed over
the seal.
Over the seal.
Instead of just replacing a seal.
Yeah. Right, so new cam belts on, nice and tight. New tensioner, new rollers, new water pumps in, and we've checked the valve, the timing, and it's all good. Back together.
suspicion creeping in. But you look so good and I know what you're offering.
Right, so Cambelt is on. Everything's back together. We've got some coolant in the engine now. So we should be ready to start. And turn the key, Ryan. Go let it run for a little bit. Get nice and hot. Bleed the cooling system. But otherwise, our job's all done. Right, what did we do today?
We did the major, the Cambelt water pump, wrong thermostat, so we took it apart for literally no reason.
Yep, so the old thermostat's gone back in.
Yeah.
Still need to replace the thermostat because it's still not getting hot enough.
No.
And
That's another problem for another day.
that's another problem for another day.
Yeah.
What is the next
Next
thing
thing,
we're going to be doing on this?
probably going to be the CV boot.
Yep.
Track red ends and a wheel alignment.
In that order? Or
I'm not going to do a wheel alignment track rods.
and then engine management lights on. That's an EGR.
Yes,
we know
EGR,
that.
that's going to disappear.
That's going to disappear. And then there's loads more stuff that we're going to be doing to this, and hopefully there's going to be more videos on lots of different cars. But this is the primary project at the moment.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe, and check out our website. We take bookings every day of the week and the weekends. We'll come and collect your car for you. So message us on social media. It's all linked below. And check out our website or give us a call.
Cheers.
Thank you.